Have you been searching for the perfect certified pre-owned luxury sedan with all the features, reliability, and sleek style you can imagine? We'll take a look at this 2019 Chrysler 300 Limited in ceramic gray. With bifunction halogen projector headlamps, daytime running headlamps, 19-inch polished aluminum wheels, power multifunction mirror with manual fold, chrome LED tail lamps, dual rear exhaust with bright tips, heated and ventilated front seats, dual zone temp control, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, backup camera, adaptive cruise control with stop, blind spot and cross path detection, heated second row seats, HARMAN KARDON audio group, dual-pane panoramic sunroof, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5382.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.